Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can see then advance my channel Khushbu PK. If you are new to this channel Khushbu PK, then put the subscribe my channel Khushbu PK and video like thanks. I have already said in my analysis that if a PTI, it is the government movement's well, not the good for the government. It did not stop speaking. You can see my channel Khushbu PK. No Prime Minister Imran Khan said that minister themselves are stranded without him.